Now in the Ronald food processor, we will peel green peas. For that, we will use plastic blade. We will attach the plastic blade and press it gently. Then we will put the green peas in the bowl. Now we will take the bowl cover and lock it properly. For peeling green peas, we'll keep the speed at maximum and use turbo button only. Similarly, we can peel roasted groundnuts and garlic using the plastic blade. We can see how beautifully the Ronald food processor has peeled the green peas.